Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ozark local and long-distance movers near me. As a trusted, responsible, and cheap Ozark moving company, 3 Movers will take care of your needs responsibly and efficiently. Our systematic approach makes your move hassle-free and safe. We offer experienced, skilled, and knowledgeable professionals who know the art and science of moving your valuable possessions. When you hire us for your long-distance move, you get the following options. Packing services. You don't have to spend your valuable time packing your valuable possessions. Our professionals will perform this task quickly and effectively. Moving supplies. We will offer all the moving supplies you need for a long-distance move. You can turn your attention to other important tasks. An on-time move. Our professionals will show up at the right time, ready to get to work for you on moving day. Upfront pricing. You can always expect a transparent approach with us. Our free estimate contains detailed information about the price, licensed and insured. All our long-distance movers are experienced, licensed, and insured professionals with an excellent track record. With our help for your relocation, you get to where you need to go faster and easier. Our team of professional movers can help you move 100 miles away, 1,000 miles away, or even further. Let us make your move simple. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ozark moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.